All right, it's December 11th, 2024. I'm doing my daily notes. I'm going to be doing Monday and Tuesday just because I've been a little bit busy handling things. I have been engaging the markets, but just haven't really had the time to come down to this real quick. So the new all-time high was tagged right there. And now we have this new one here. Boom. All-time high right there. So price pretty much, let's go on the weekly right here. So this is what we're looking like on a weekly. So we swept that high, open, swept the high, and now we're working our way down, working in this area on lower time frames. There's imbalances there, and right now live price is actually live. So let me just take a picture of this and go down real quick to a daily, put the drawings back on. Here's what we're looking at. So price is working this area here. See the volume imbalance right there inside of this BISI as well. Price open right at the top of it, pushed up, working these wicks here. We're still in a bullish mode right now. Nothing too crazy yet. So this was Monday's price action, sweeps the high, drops down, doesn't go into the, matter of fact, it kind of does. I'm missing. Yeah, as a matter of fact, it did. So it taps right at the top of it and closes there. Following day, which was yesterday, opens here, wicks up, works the body of this candle here, then comes down to the midpoint of that area, closes right there, and then today obviously opens here and expands to the upside as we are currently right now. CPI news just came out right here, so it's 8:30 a.m. core CPI, CPI, blah blah blah, and then they have at 10:30 the crude oils, and then tomorrow they have PPI, and then nothing on Friday. So boom. So really nothing too crazy to document here, as we are up here at the all-time high in this area. And you know, there's a lot of stuff going on down here on the lower time frames, but for now let's just do this. Boom, drop down to a 4 just to have a peek at what's going on a 4 mid area of that higher time frame. BISI hits there and then, you know, consolidates, and then obviously today here's where we are. So boom, on a 4, work this area here. Bodies remain on the bottom of the midpoint of that, and then push down to the mid area, and now it's working its way back up. I don't see no equal highs up here, so price could just be, you know, going up above a 50% level into a premium upper quad. When I get to the 15-minute time frame, you'll see that. And then we could probably come back down here, who knows, into this area right here, which is a volume imbalance on a daily time frame. Picture of that. See how it's working the top of that right there. Boom, it's inside of there. Which again, this also here could be, you know, an inversion. See what it looks like on this side, where price comes up, and it can be an inversion. So there's just a lot going on here. And the way I trade, I need certain things to happen first before I actually trade. Okay, so let's go to a 1 hour. Scrunch this up real quick just to see what it looks like. So these lows were tagged right here. So whoever's going long, the longs are in profit right now, and whoever's trying to go short, they keep getting stopped out. So right now, look at these. We got some nice imbalances down here. Nothing too crazy down here, just a volume imbalance. But you know, we have to just wait and see. End of the year, so you know, moving with precaution. We don't want to assume too much. Here we go, little imbalance right here where price is currently working right now. And like I say, you see all this consolidation, and they wait So the morning session, about, roughly 4 or 5 in the morning, then they push it up. Same thing here with the Sunday. Consolidates, comes up, drops down, boom, tags this low right here on the left, boom, consolidates, comes up into that imbalance area on this time frame, comes down, and then, in the afternoon session for Monday, consolidates. Then at 5 a.m., which is today, that's when price started moving, came up here, came down. So these, whoever's up, this is the London high right here. No, this is Tuesday AM's high, 10:15 a.m. high right here. Then came down, whatever, right? This is where I'm at. So consolidates in the overnight session. And then here, now 8 a.m. is when price started to push upwards, released. Boom, let's do it on a 5-minute photo. Let's crunch it up. See all this consolidation? You do not want to be engaging in none of this. Working this little imbalance right here right now, as you can see right here. And could come get that high up there. Who knows? We have to see how it behaves at the midpoint. All right, so from here, I'm going to go to the LSS chart. I've done this so many times, I don't really need to get too crazy. So here's my working chart, right? Where I have all my end dogs and all that type of stuff. So here's Tuesday's price action right here. Price opened in this area here. Where's the 930 candle? Here's the 930 candle, is this one. It opens, wicks down into this imbalance here near the new day opening gap, pushed up into this imbalance up here on a 15-minute time frame. Sweeps this, which is a turtle swoop, sweeps it, boom, then breaks down. Breaks all the way down. And then when I engaged price was in the afternoon session, where price came down and tagged these lows. Tagged this low right here, these lows right here, and then came all the way down here, but they didn't tag this one here. They left that one intact. So this and this is something that I always pay attention to, because it just, boom, it looks beautiful like that. That's what price likes to draw itself to. So we just have to see what it's going to do up here at the bell open at 9:30. If we're going to continue to run up higher, or if it's just going to reverse, come back down, and take out some more positions from these long positions up here. Whoever's long from all the way down here from last week, there's a lot of profit right now. And if they're not taking profit at the moment, then they're potentially going to get smoked. So I have my fib from the body to this body here, and the midpoint is up here. So we're in a high premium, and this price is working inside of this area here, this imbalance, inside of the first fair value gap from the 6th. And then it's probably just going to consolidate there before coming back down to fill this in at the 9:30 bell open. So we'll take a picture of that. I have my newspaper here just to be aware that there's news at 10:30, because this is all news right here. At 10:30 crude oils, and this is 8:30 CPI news. And I was just watching that in real time. I don't engage when news is at play. I'm cool with all of that. Like I've had experiences where I'm just not with it. So let me just take a peek at right here. Tuesday's price action is really everything, the most that I'm concerned about. I'm not too concerned. That's pretty much it for me. I'll probably just do a little quick exercise. Swing low, doesn't come up into it. Boom. It's the imbalance, comes down. Boom, imbalance. See, it's failing there, fails, comes back into this body here. Boom, comes down. And then right there to the upside, consolidation. I don't even want a picture of that, because it's just so, it's sloppy. It's nothing too clean. A lot of sloppy price action. Let me just take a picture of this to have that on a 1 minute documented. Yeah. On a 15 as well, with all the annotation. I'm gonna get rid of this real quick. I don't need that. 10 minutes into the video. That's pretty much it for me. I'm cool. So back to the daily. I'm gonna just go back to the daily, hide the drawings, and just, you know, we're all the way up here right now, up into this area here. Could this be? Yeah. Let's see what this decides to do.